Career choices are an interesting thing. Originally, I desired to be a jockey growing up in central Kentucky. Understand that when I got to be the age of about 9, I outgrew the opportunity to be a thoroughbred jockey in Kentucky. So the next career choice was a Major League Baseball catcher, watching Johnny Bench play for the Cincinnati Reds. Once I realized I did not have that athletic ability, at the age of about 11, I decided that I wanted to be a veterinarian, growing up around lots of animals and enjoying that greatly. Theriogenology and virology has always been focused on trying to work out puzzles to create optimal health. So I had the privilege of working in vitro embryo production in cattle, and also then doing some NIH-funded research on how those developing embryos interacted with antiviral agents. As we think about a viral pandemic, we have to think about all of the puzzles that creates. So my background in both animal reproduction and virology focuses on working out those puzzles to optimize health.